Hi guys, today I'm going to unbox Nike's most affordable white sneaker. Let's find out whether this worth your money or not. Come on. Yeah, let's talk about the build quality. It's made up of synthetic smooth leather upper with strong and grippy rubber sole, which is reinforced with glue and stitchings around the sneaker. Comes with a lace-up design and medium cushion inside the sneaker with padded tongue. Materials they have used is mediocre, but since this is a budget sneaker from Nike, we cannot complain more. But honestly, I'm not disappointed with the quality of the product because the design and finishing of the product is not less than the Nike standards and definitely gives a value for money feeling. I have worn them all day. I never felt any discomfort. If you have wider foot, you may feel cramped because this is a compact and close to foot sneaker and the cushion feels fine but not too soft. There is a little bit of flex to it. They don't feel heavy, but light to medium weight is there because of the dense rubber sole. They are pretty much comfortable for daily wear, but not for long distance walking or running. These are not meant for that. I don't see any creasing as of now, maybe seen with the time passes by. And one thing to remember, these sneakers run true to size, so you can go with their actual size. Crispy white smooth synthetic leather and white stitchings all over the sneaker, with a black swoosh on the sides and a Nike branding on the tongue and back of the heel looks minimalistic. You all know white sneakers are versatile and goes well with many outfits. The same thing applicable here because of the white and black accent and the compact design. They look good with different widths of bottom wear. Whether it may be slim, straight or oversized, they look good with all of them. You can rock them with both casual and semi-casual outfits. It requires additional care to maintain white sneakers clean. My number one tip is do not get them dirty in the first place. If that happens, wipe them with dry cloth and if it doesn't work, use mild detergent and rub them with soft toothbrush, then wipe out with dry cloth, but do not soak them in water. Usually these sneakers sell around 2500 rupees, but I got them in as a crazy deal of 1596 rupees. At this price range, no other brand offering better sneaker than this, and I felt it's a absolute value for money. So give us your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe below for more fashion related content.